Wala pa akong intro. Hehe. So, today, unbox naman tayo. Again. I know, again. Layo. Things I buy in Shopee that I don't really need. Yeah, gonna check more and more album out. Version A nga pala, with POV din. Hindi ko na kinuha yung poster kasi folded and that's bad. Is that bad? That's bad. So, unbox tayo. A review. Hell yeah. Yan, we're back in my trusty table na yung camera stand ko. Ba't yung ilaw? Kita. Yes. So, we're back here sa aking mahiwagang table ng stand ko. As you can see. Just so you can see. Laptop doesn't work. So, camera stand. Yeah. Anyway, comment down below kung unahin natin yung album o yung POV. But first, unahin natin yung unang package na dumating, which is yung sa 1010. Kita ba? Baliktad. It feels special. So special. Dalawa, which is brown and white. So it's A and B, I think. I don't know. Basta. Yung POV comes with 10 photo cards. One per each member and one group. So first, we're gonna open the white one. OMG. Okay, touch na lang natin. Natamad ako. Kinda did something new. So since lamig. Since we were done with these three, so sadyang baliktad. Anyway, it's done. Next is not this one, but too far. It hurt. Dumi na. Ito kasi nalabas agad. Anyway, this one, the more and more version 80. So, ano yung makakita to? The fuck? Ito saan eh? I hope. No, it won't stand. Gotta do something else. Yeah. So, after trial and error, puro siya error. It's not good. I mean, hindi ko pa alam paano to utilize this guy in vlogging kasi hindi siya, I don't know what you call that, but I only bought this for pictures. So sorry, I won't use this guy, and wala din tong mic, so masakit sa tenga yung voice and ayoko pa ayusin yung sound na. I'm lazy for that. Also, wala na akong jacket kasi ang init. Anyway, back to business. More and more. So, nabili ko siya Monday? Hindi. Is it last week though? I think it's weekend. No, Monday. Monday ko siya binili. Dumating siya Thursday, which is today. Kung hindi pa 12. It's today. So, yeah. So, ngayon, we're gonna open this. Yes, and of course, may mahulog kasi things are inside of it. So, wait now, let's fix that. Yawn. So, of course, the usual CD, photo cards, may coaster, and this is not the lyrics, I know. Di ko alam yung tawag, but hey, I bought this one. So, of course, gonna go agad sa photo cards na may Sana, Che, Sana, akin to, Che, akin din nata to, Ngayon, akin na akin tong Momo. And lastly, Mina. Meron din code for a group photo. So, yeah, I bet you can see that properly. Yung coaster ko ay si Chewy. Then, yeah, ito. Individual things, but it's not really individual if it's kind of like that boy. So, from right ko, ito yun, ito. So, Nayon, Jong yun, Momo. Sana Jayumi na Dayon siya yung Chewy. And yung likod niya is kind of puzzling. Kasi, you know, you need to fix this para maging one whole picture siya, which I will put the picture, I guess, here. Edit mo yan. Anyway. Yeah. The only thing I want... Mami. Anyway, ayun. And of course, wait. I know, nung pakita ko na, but the CD, si Seyong. No, it's not Seyong, dummy. To si Mami Saranghe, which is Chewy. Clip.
Mami 사랑해.
Okay, ito. Photo book. Nakakasama. And gitna na lang tayo. Ayoko lahatin. Of course, it will be Jonghyun, Jiyoen sana. Okay, yun na lang. Kasi ang kapal. Compared to Feel Special, this one is way makapal. Of course, dito Feel Special ko. Diba? It's makapal. I mean, I guess it's makapal, but it's smaller than Feel Special though. As you can see, wait. Yeah, it's smaller. A bit smaller. Oh, come on, fix yourself. Yeah, it's a bit smaller. Like a thumb, I guess. Ang kapal ng thumb ko. Yeah. So, sa mga magtatanong, order ba ako ng Eyes Wide Open? Pre-order? Nah. Pala. So, may alam kung saan pwede ilagay yung mga photo card. Shoutout sa'yo. Sabi naman Hindi ko alam saan lalagay. Kasi, I only want dun sa cabinet ko, sa IU. Basta yung customized things ko na. Yung fan-made kind of thing. Like, wait. As you can see, mahirap. So, maalat table ko, but that's definitely IU. That's freebie nung more and more ko. Dayon and me na yun. Sure ako. And look at that. That's a customized. No, it's not customized. Basta pinagawa ko yan no Seafood Week sa friend ko. Shout out. Sino nga makakapagbigay sa akin ng idea kung ano maganda lagay doon. Love you too. So I guess doon ko natatapusin yung unboxing video. Hindi na siya technical unboxing kasi na siya sa box. I mean, it's a review anyway. So mailap talaga yung bias ko sa akin, which is si Jonghyun. Kinda sad, pero okay na din kasi nabili ko more and more. May POV pa. Ay, hindi siya international. Aga siya dumatay. Thank you. Anyway. Yan, so this video would be unlisted for a day, I guess. I don't know. Basta kaya mag-decide. I don't really care now. Yung possible na next album is IU, I guess. Yeah, I'm really eyeing for IU. Pero, depende kung may... No, IU is a palette. The palette one, though. Eyes Wide Open as a black one, which is bagay. I mean, as you can see, I don't like those black things. Kahit na light yung kwarto ko. No, it's good. Kasi black yun. Diba? And I don't know where to put it. I don't know generous sa table ko sa baba. So, alin lang. I guess, see you next unboxing. Sana maalala ko, diba? Bye-bye.
마미 사랑해.